Happy morning. So today I'm going to give you a introduction to Vernier caliper. What is a Vernier caliper? A Vernier caliper is a special tool that helps us measure small things more accurately than a normal scale. Okay, it is used to measure your length, thickness, diameter, that is inside and outside of a round object. Clear? Depth, how deep something is. Okay, so why do we need it? Sometimes we need to measure very small or tricky things. For example, if you want to measure the diameter of a small pipe, or the thickness of a coin, or the depth of a small bottle, a normal ruler is not accurate enough. So we use Vernier caliper for better results. Clear? Parts of a Vernier caliper. I'll explain you the parts of the Vernier caliper with simple words. Clear? So in a Vernier caliper, we'll be using a main scale. So what the main scale do is, it will look like a normal ruler and it will be in centimeter or millimeter. Then you have a Vernier scale, a small sliding scale. It is a small sliding scale. It's for more accuracy. You have an outer jaw. It measures outside of your object, and you have an inner jaw that will measure inside of a pipe or a hole. You have a depth rod. It measures how deep something is. Okay. Now you have a lock screw that will hold the scale in place after measuring. So hope you understand the parts of the Vernier caliper. I think you are clear. Now what can it measure actually? So it can measure outside of a coin or inside of a ring, depth of a bottle, like that. Okay. So I'll explain you how will you use a Vernier caliper in a simple step. For example, if you want to measure the thickness of a coin, what you have to do is, you open the outer jaws. You place the coin between the jaws. Now you slide the jaws gently to hold the coin tightly. Now you look at the main scale to see the rough reading. Look at the Vernier scale to see the exact matching line. Okay, and you have to add both the readings together to get the exact thickness. Okay, but don't worry about the numbers now. Just it helps measure small things very accurately. Okay, the most important point you have to remember about Vernier caliper is nothing. It is better than a ruler. It can measure outside, inside and depth. It gives very accurate measurement. It is used in science lab, factories and engineering. I hope you can understand better. Thank you.